sir.
Okay, so what we will do, we will go and select sprites. Let's first delete this cat and go to sprite. We will select a race between a fish and a crab. So you can choose a sprite. Choose
Any sprite, right, sir?
we will have a race between a fish and a sprite. So if you can search for fish over here, just select any one fish, whatever you like. Okay, and now also select the second one.
So what's the other one? Fish and crab?
Crab, yeah. Just see, do you have crab over there?
So, sir,
Yes.
fish and crab, right?
Correct, yes. Okay. Now we selected the card. Let's select the crab. Vian, you're selecting it?
Sir?
Yes.
Can I just share my screen 1 minute?
Okay. Just give me 1 second. Have you selected the fish and the crab or not, Vihan?
No, sir.
Okay. Where are you stuck?
I'm still stuck in that stickman. I don't know how to put a new page, sir.
Okay, then share your screen. Anya, you have to stop sharing. Hello, Naman.
Good morning.
Morning, Naman. Naman, have you opened the sprite page, the scratch page?
Sir, 1 minute.
You have to go to file over here. And say new. Okay. Let me know, Naman, once you opened it.
I'm opening it and I'm searching for the sprite.
Sir, chat box में link नहीं आया.
Okay, I'll send you again. Just check now, Naman.
We can catch any fish, right? We can take any fish, right, sir?
Yes, Dhruv, you can take any fish.
So I took a shark.
Okay, and what is the second one? Second one would be crab.
Only one type of crab though here.
Yes, currently we only have one type.
So can I choose some other also?
Which one do you want to choose, Vihan? Okay, all right. Naman, you have done this?
Sir, chosen both.
Okay, let me just check with Naman. Hello, Kevin.
Hello, sir.
So Kevin, we have just started. So you have to select two sprite. One is fish, the second one is crab. Okay. Naman, I'm not able to hear you. Have you done that?
Sir,
Right, so I'm choosing the jellyfish is costly.
Vian, can you stop sharing, please? Let me just look at Naman's screen.
sir, may I start sharing?
Yeah, I have to see your screen, Naman. Okay, just delete this one, Naman. No, you have to delete this sprite, Naman.
Okay, sir, 1 minute.
Down below over here, we have a delete. There's a delete one, right? Over here, I'm just marking on your screen. Okay. Then select your sprite from here. Search for fish. select any one fish. And now also select a crab. Go back and select a crab. Okay, now go to background. Everyone should go to background now. And see, do we have a background for ocean? Search for ocean and see,
Yes,
do we
sir,
have a
we
background?
do, sir.
We have it, okay.
Sir, I put one ocean. Sir, it's in underwater.
Underwater, okay, let's check for underwater.
It's here, sir.
Sir, should we choose ocean?
Yes, sir, I
1 or
found
2?
it.
So
I found
just
it.
okay, just choose something which is ocean as such. Probably this one you can choose.
That was the one. That's the
Very
underwater
good.
one. Yeah.
Very good.
That's the one.
Everyone has selected it?
I chose
Yeah.
I chose number 1. I chose number 2.
Okay.
I chose number 1.
I chose number 2.
I
Okay.
chose the cartoon one, sir.
All right,
Yeah,
all right.
same. I chose the cartoon one.
Okay, now we'll continue. Okay. Agam, you have done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will code for the fish. Everyone should click on the fish sprite. We'll code for the fish.
The first one, sir.
Yes, the fish. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to motion block, and there would be a block which says go to XY. Just drag and drop this block. Go to XY block. Very good. Put a number.
So my book is different. It doesn't say -6, -5. Mine says
That's okay.
-14.
Yeah. So we'll change the number. Okay. Just say the number minus.
Which one is it?
Go to XY. The numbers would be -170. X is -170. And Y will be -60.
Wait, sir.
Okay.
I'm not able to get it. Wait.
You're not able to get what?
Now I got it. -170.
170. Y will be -60.
So what? X?
-170 X.
Y, sir?
Y is -60. Naman, can you
Okay,
type?
yeah. Okay, yeah.
So 100 minus 170 is X. And Y minus 16, sir.
-60.
We're in the fish, right? In the
In the
fish
fish.
one.
Fish, correct. Okay, Naman. In the Y, please write down -60. Okay. Then there would be a block which says set rotation style. Can you scroll down and just check for a block which says set rotation style?
So I can't find it, sir.
It will be in motion in the. Just scroll down and check. There is a block which says set
Okay.
rotation style.
So I don't know if this is correct. It says set rotation style left, right.
Left to right, correct.
I found it, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
can you show me? Where is it?
It is under motion. You will have a set rotation style.
Sir, it is last fourth one.
Yes. Yes. Just drag and drop this. Set rotation style. Below that, very good. Then the next one is point in direction. So put this point in direction 90° under it. So there is one more which says point in direction. Yes. Okay, so what we are doing as of now, we are telling the fish when the program start, go to this particular location.
I
And
can't see the screen.
can't see the screen.
Sir.
Okay, we are saying to the program, when the program start, fish should go to this location, then it should travel in this direction, left to right. Okay, everyone with me?
Okay, yeah.
Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to do a repeat block because we have to ask questions. So again, I'm going to repeat the game is, computer is going to ask you certain question. If you are going to answer it right, then your fish will move. If you don't answer it right, then the crab is going to move. Okay, if the crab moves, it reaches the finish line, crab is going to win. But you have to answer all the question right so that fish is going to win. Okay, so our objective is fish should win the game. Everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what we will do, we go to control,
Yeah.
There will be a block which says repeat until. Do you have something called a repeat until?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Not this one. Repeat until.
So is this one correct? It says repeat until there's like a hexagon.
Correct, that's one, yes. If you say repeat until, in the control itself, Naman, there is a block which says, put it below that, yes. No, below that. Very good. So we are going to,
Wait, sir. I didn't do that. I put it over all those three
we
blocks.
have to do it below that.
It's the seventh one.
It's the,
Seventh block.
yes, correct, Agam. Everyone has placed this? Kevin, you have
Yes,
done
sir.
that?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Place it below the
Yes, sir.
below point in direction.
correct.
Okay.
Now we are going to write something over here which will get repeated multiple times. So we have to write certain questions over here which will get repeated multiple times. Okay. To do that, we will first go to variables. Let's go to variables. Let's go to.
Yeah.
Jan, you have done it?
Yes, sir.
We'll go to variable. We'll create a variable. Click on make a variable.
Make a okay.
Make a variable.
There. Yes.
And did you click and give a name as number one? Number one. Write down number one.
Wait, sir. Can you just go back for a
Okay.
second?
Just give me. Let him just finish. I'll come back to you, Anya. Okay. Just say number one.
And press OK.
Correct. Yes.
And for this sprite only or for all sprites?
For all sprites.
Okay.
So Anya, what you have to do? You have to go to variables.
Yeah.
Then you
Yeah.
have over there make a variable. You have to click on make a variable. Wait, don't do it. Don't do
I
it.
saw the pop-out in the screen, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now
Can
what
you-
do we do?
Okay. Can you click on make a variable, Anya?
Yeah, I did.
Then you have to give a name to that variable. The variable name is number one. Just type number one.
Okay.
So next, can I share my screen?
Not now, Vihan. I'll tell you. Okay.
So can I connect?
Once we reach a stage where I know you can stay, I'll ask you. Okay. Again, click on make a variable. Again, click on make a variable.
Yeah.
Again, click on it. And now write down number two. So we will have two numbers. One is number
No,
one
should it say for this sprite only or for all sprites?
for all sprites.
Number
Two.
two, right?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So should we make another variable again?
Should we make? Yes, we have to make two variables. First is number one. Second is number two.
Done.
Okay. So let's say
Done.
okay. Right. Everyone has done that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then drag and drop. Then drag and drop this set variable into the repeat until block.
Okay, wait.
My variable too, sir.
Just drag and drop that particular block and drag and drop again. Do it 2 times.
Set my variable to 0.
That I'll tell you later. So just drag it again, Naman.
Yeah. And we drag.
So just have a look at screen of Naman.
Wait,
Have you
sir.
guys-
Let me.
Yeah.
Wait, sir. Let me just
Okay, done. sir.
Okay, yeah.
Everyone did that?
He said
Yeah.
variable to 0. So I took the variable to 0.
Okay, we'll come to that. Dhruv, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Vihan, Agam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kevin,
Yeah.
yes? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
very good. Now what we will do, we will go to, let's go to, wait, let me see. Let's go to operators. Is there something called operators? Go to operators.
Which operators?
Do you have something called operators?
1 to 10.
Yeah.
Okay, then everyone has clicked on the operators.
Yes, sir.
I need to click
Okay,
operator.
So I can see plus, minus, and
Okay.
all those other.
yes, yes. Then we have to drag and drop, pick random block and put it over here. Just have a look what Naman is doing first, okay?
Pick random 1 to 10.
Yes.
So I
And
can't
put it over there.
sir.
It should come.
No, so I can't.
Do we have to put it at the top or at the
No,
bottom?
within, okay, now Naman, can you just drag this one and put it inside this circle? Just drag this and put it inside this circle.
Okay, put it, sir. Should we drag another one, sir?
No, it should, is it going inside that circle? No, it should go inside the circle, Naman.
The foam is going inside the circle.
For you, it is going, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, for
Can
me,
you-
it's going on the bottom and the top. So it's
Okay,
going
for
on
both,
the top
yeah, for
me.
both we have to do. Again, do it, Naman.
Wait, sir, I don't know if this is correct though, because it
Okay.
just goes
Sir,
like
I've
So
done
now,
it.
okay, now let Anya share screen,
They
okay?
have to
And
put the starting, like they have to put pick on that. And then
And-
it will go in.
sure. Naman, just follow what Anya is going to do now, okay?
yeah, I'm a bit confused. So
Okay.
this is so it's
No.
not going to the side though, outwards.
It will go to side if you just drag it out and try to place it on that circle. Just drag it
It
out.
has to,
Yes.
yeah, see it's
Very
coming.
good. Very nice. Okay.
I'm just going to put these
Okay.
there.
Very good. And do the same thing for this also. Go to pick random number 1 to 10 and do it also. Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes,
Now,
done.
no, wait. Now change this to number 1. Set number 1. Instead of my variable, click on that. Select number 1.
Okay.
And over here, select number 2. Okay, so what we are doing so far, Agam? Agam, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So what we are doing, we are going to, computer is going to set number 1 to any number between 1 to 10. Any number between 1 to 10 will be set to number 2. Computer at random will pick a number between 1 to 10. Okay?
Sir,
Yes, Vihan?
mine showed up 9 to 10 when I pressed it, sir.
I'll come to you. Okay? Everyone has done this? Naman, you have done
That's
this?
Yes,
all done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's proceed, okay? Now computer is going to ask you a question. For asking a question, go to sensing.
Is it over here?
So there will be a sensing block, right? There is a sensing. Go to
In
sensing.
here? In operations?
If you, I've just marked it on your screen, sensing. If you look at it, just click
The
on
blue
sensing.
one above.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Everyone has reached there, sensing.
I'm on sensing, sir. Yes.
Okay, let me check with Naman. Naman, you have reached sensing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There we have something called as ask. Do you have ask? Then put the ask one below that.
It says ask what's your name and wait.
Correct. Yes. Okay. So now computer is going to ask you something. Okay.
So ask
Yes.
you what's your name, sir?
Yeah, we will change it. Okay. So everyone has added that block or not?
Yes, sir. I did.
Everyone
Yes,
added?
sir.
And I deleted that. What's your name?
Okay, very good.
Me
Then
too,
what we
sir.
need, okay, what we need to do, we have to go to operators. Go to operators.
Yes, sir.
Operators.
sir.
There will be something called as join. Join apple banana. Just put it inside this.
What? Okay.
Okay. Then
There is
again take that and put it in and inside banana.
What, sir?
Okay, just see what she
Join
has done.
apple. Join apple banana. Sir,
Yes. So we'll change it. Okay. First we are just making
getting a
a,
little too hilarious.
okay. Everyone has done this, what she has done.
No,
So we
Yes,
have,
sir.
No, sir.
okay, let me go to Vihan's screen. Okay, Vihan, please share. Naman, you have done it?
Sir, no.
Okay, just
After
look
Vihan,
at,
can I share my screen?
okay. Okay, so what you need to do, Vihan, again, drag and drop this join over here inside banana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Naman, you have done this?
Sir, no. I know.
Okay, please share your screen, Naman.
Okay, sir.
So now, okay, let Naman first share the screen.
Sir, after Naman, can I?
I'll come to you, Dhruv. I'll come to you. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do, Naman, again, drag and drop this over here inside banana. Join apple banana. Again, drag and drop inside banana. Inside banana one. This one. Not over there. Yeah, the next one. Yes, very good. Okay. Kevin, you have done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. So now what you need to do, you have to go back to variables. Let's
Sir,
go back to
mine's
variables.
working, sir.
Okay, wait. Let's go back to variables. Where is variables?
Yes, sir.
There is variable, right? Let's click on variables over here, Naman. Drag and drop one at a time. Okay, drag and drop number 1 on the first apple. No, you have not done it. Wait.
I've done it.
Okay, drag and drop that. Okay, let him do it. Drag and drop. Yes, very good. Just drag and drop under where apple is. Very good, Naman. Then over here, Naman.
Wait, sir.
Okay.
I haven't done.
Sir,
Okay.
should we do for both the apples number 1, sir?
Not for both the apple, just the first one. And then I'll explain you also why we are doing this. Okay. Can we, Anya, you have done it, or can you share your screen, Anya?
Yeah, I've done.
Okay. Then you have to go to select number 2 and put it in banana. Drag and drop number 2 in banana. Okay. Now it's question to all of you. Okay. For Naman, are you good in multiplication or are you good in plus? What is that you're good in?
So what should we do?
Wait, Vihan. I asked question to Naman. Naman,
Yes, sir.
you are good in multiplication or you're good in addition?
Sir, plus.
Plus. Okay, then put a plus sign over here. Where apple is there, put a plus sign. Where apple is written, can you delete it? And put a plus sign. So if
So I can't find a plus sign, sir.
you can't find it,
How do I do multiplication sign?
you have to put X sign
that's
over there.
sir.
Anya, you have to put X. For people who are good with plus, should put plus sign. For others who are good with multiplication, should put X over there.
The letter X.
Letter X, yes, alphabet X. Vihan, you have done this.
Uppercase?
Yeah.
Lowercase or uppercase?
It should be
Sir, done,
lowercase.
sir.
Done. Okay, now let's test the code that we have written. Okay. Now please place a green flag on the top and let's test it what we have written. Okay, so as soon as you click it, fish, there's a question computer is asking the fish, right? Correct?
Should we maximize the screen, sir?
Not yet. It's just that I wanted to make sure that you guys
Green
understand
flag?
what we have coded. Yes, just put a green flag. Anya, are you able to see computer is asking you a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as of now, computer is asking us a question, but we have to answer that question. We have not coded for it. Okay, so we'll code for that also. Agam, you are able to follow?
Mine's working, sir.
चार्जर ला दो.
Okay, let Dhruv share now. Okay, Dhruv, please share. And Naman, just follow what Dhruv is going to do. Okay.
So next, can I share?
Let me go to others also, Vihan. Okay, I'll come to you.
13 topics ऐसे spread out है. 13 topics target है. That's why I was calling
Yeah.
you to get an estimate. कि मैं क्या customer को अभी दे.
Okay, very good. Now what we will do, we will put a control, go to control.
By mistake, I got carried away in the game and I
Okay,
started
all
doing
right.
it all.
Let's go to control and we will drag and drop if block. Is there any if block?
Friday तक
If
आप
then,
Can't
Yes.
hear, sir.
Wait, sir. What
This
do we
one?
do?
We
This
have to
huge
drag
block?
and drop if block, not else part. If
So
block.
if then, sir.
If then, correct.
And where should we put it, sir?
Below the ask.
here?
Yes. No, below the ask.
Sir?
One above it, just below the ask.
ठीक है. अमोल भी है क्या?
Here.
Yes, correct.
Sir, there is a little noise.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now it is not there, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
it's not there.
Okay, all right. So what we are going to do now is you are going to answer. We are going to check whether that answer is correct or not. Okay.
I already answered all the answers correct.
You already answered. Okay. Now to check it. So now to check it,
Yes, sir.
you will go back to, let's go back to sensing.
Okay, sir.
तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं खत्म हो रही है.
Yes, so we have to continue to code, Naman. So have you added the, can you click on the red dot over there to stop it as such?
Which?
Naman, can you share your screen again?
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
this one here next to green flag.
Yes, let him because Naman, can you share your screen again?
सर अब
Okay, Naman, you have to place a if block after that. So go to control. Go to control.
After I stop sharing, I can continue
Okay.
sharing, right, sir?
Wait, do not put this one. If block, if then block.
After
Okay.
he stops sharing, I can continue
Sure,
sharing, right,
yes.
sir?
Then go to operators.
Sensing, sir, no? You said
No, we have to go
sensing.
to operators. We have to go to operators. I'm sorry. Everyone has gone to operators.
I thought I could continue sharing my screen.
I'll come to you, Dhruv. I'll come to you. He's learning, right? You are a champion. Okay.
Sir, I'm not a champion.
Okay. All right. So we are going to test for something over here, whether the answer that you have given is correct or not. So we are going to test that condition over here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Then what we need to do, Naman, there is a block, this one, equal to 1. Can you just drag and drop inside
I
this?
can't see it, sir. Where is it, sir?
Within, so there is a block which says equal to 50. Anya, can you see it, the
I
screen?
can't find it, sir.
I can see his screen. Wait,
Okay.
let me just go and get the block.
Okay. So there is a block under operators which says equal 50, 50.
Yeah.
Everyone has
And where
done
do we
that?
put it?
And then put
Wait.
it after if.
Okay,
Correct.
wait.
In that hexagon box. Just put it in there.
Okay, I'm done, sir.
Okay, I done saw.
Everyone did? Agam, you have done that? Kevin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Okay, now we have to check for something, correct? With me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So the people who are doing multiplication will do it differently. First, I'll show you the people who are doing plus sign, okay? Now what you have to do, Naman, drag and drop this particular block, the plus one, inside this one. Okay. Just drag in, very good, very nice. Then drag drop, go to variables again, Naman. Go to variables and drag and drop my number one in the first one, number one in the first one. No, remove it. Yeah. First, put that back. Okay, very good. Okay, just put him inside the first circle. No, okay, just practice this again. Yes, very nice. Now put the second number in the second circle. Vihan, you have done this because you are doing plus, correct, Vihan? Vihan, can you hear me?
Sir, I just don't understand because, like you said, if you're doing multiplication, you do it differently.
Yes.
Then where's the multiplication green?
Yes, I'll
block?
come to you for multiplication. It's only for the people who are doing plus, okay? This step, okay?
Sir,
Since you are not. Yes, Agam?
something went wrong and all the operators block come out of my coding.
Out of your coding. Just give me 2 minutes, I'll come to you, Agam. Okay? Okay, then you should go to, let's go back to sensing now.
Sir,
If there is something called as answer over here, just search for answer. Put this answer over here. Over here, the last one. Okay. And then let me go to Agam. Okay.
Sir, may I stop sharing?
Yes, Naman, please stop sharing.
so next can I share my screen?
Okay, not yet, Vihan. Let me first, now we will do multiplication, then I'll come to you. Okay, so what
Sir,
you
I
need to
don't
do,
know
Agam?
I
Yes.
don't know how to do this, sir.
Okay, I think we have to do it again. Okay, so you are going to ask a question, correct? So let's remove that also.
Why does it say number one though equals 50?
That is how he has written it, right? So I'll come to you guys one by one. Let me first help Agam. Okay. In the ask, very first thing, go and place join bananas and apple block.
Sir, there are two.
Not a problem. First, put the first block. Put the first block inside that. Put it over here. Then put the second block inside this. Okay. All right. Then in this join, put number one. Go to your variables. Put number one. Go to your variables. Put number one in the first block. And in the second one, put number two. No, in the bananas, put number two, sorry. In the bananas, put number two. And over here, put X sign, X letter. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Just put alphabet X over there.
No, sir. This is the sign.
Which is the sign? Just put X. Okay, correct. Got it. Multiplication sign. Okay. And now, yeah, now just click over here and see it is asking question or not. It is asking question. Okay, very good. Now stop your program. Now others please follow.
So
Okay.
I'm a bit confused though.
Yes, Anya, I'll come to you. Now you have to follow what he is doing for multiplication. Anya, do you have if block?
What?
Do you have if block added or not?
What do you mean by F block?
If block.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
you have
Yeah.
if block added, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you can just see what Agam is doing and then you can do the same thing.
So next, can I please share?
Wait, Vyan, let Agam first finish it. Okay, Agam, wait now, wait. So what we are doing, Agam, we are going to check. Now go back to your operators. So you are doing for multiplication, right? You have to
Yes, sir.
pick this. You have added. Okay, then put it over
Wait,
here.
sir, but my thing is empty. I haven't put number 1 there. Should I put number 1 there?
Yes, you have to put it.
One number one here.
Yes, number 1, and then over here put number 2. The second one put number
Okay,
2.
wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Anya, I will come to your screen also. And in over here, put in the answer, put over here answer, okay? No, not number 2. Remove that. Go to sensing. You have an answer block. So we are checking the answer now, right? First, we are asking question. Then we are checking number 1 into number 2. Is the answer correct or not? Okay.
So can you just like, can I share my screen?
I'll go one by one now. Okay. I'll go one by one to
confused.
everyone's screen. Yeah, I'll go one by one. Agam, please stop sharing now.
So this is confusing, sir, for me.
Okay, I'll come now one by one. Just wait for your turn. Okay. First, let me go to Anya. Okay.
Confusing.
Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, there.
So there's some noise coming in
Do
the
I have to-
background.
Yes, you have to put number 1 over there, Anya. Very good.
So some background noise is coming.
Okay.
It's probably my brother. So does it go like this or like
Yes.
this?
No, it has to be in one circle. First,
Okay. Wait.
not this way. You have to drag it to the left. Yes,
Yeah.
very good.
Then
Then
where
put
do
So we have to put the
number 1. Okay.
like
put,
this or like
from
how?
variables, the
No,
third
in the
variable.
first circle, number
Like
1 should
this?
come. Yes. Just
Sir,
will
can
come.
I
Not
just
coming there though.
Then try to drag it to the left and try to put it. Yes. No,
Can
it
I
will
just share
come
my
just
screen very just quickly and just
Maybe there.
explain and
then put number 2 over here.
Okay, wait.
so I put that. I have to put number 1, right?
Yes.
It's
Just
not
I'll come to
working,
you.
sir. For some
Can you just
reason.
come to me quickly?
Let me first help her, then I'll come to you, okay?
See,
You
I
have
don't know
to
why.
drag it to left. Just drag it to your left and do it. You're not dragging it to your left, okay?
So wait, so I'll put this back.
Yes.
So I'll do it like this.
No, you are drag it to your left. Drag it to your right, sorry. Drag it to your right. Yes. Now put no, sorry. Because again. Or do one thing, take this thing out. Okay. Can I take control of your screen?
Yeah. Wait, it says ZoomUS would like to control this computer using.
You have said yes.
Yeah, I've said I would approve, but then it's saying ZoomUS would like to control this computer using accessibility features.
You have to say yes to it. I'm not able to control your screen.
There's only open system preferences, not deny.
Okay, don't deny it. But can you drag and drop this over here? Number 1. Can you try to drag and drop?
Okay, like
Uh,
this.
No, not just drag to your right. Within that circle, it should come. Yeah, just try
Like
it.
this?
No, it has come. Okay. All right. Let's do something else. Can you take this out first? These two things. Take this out. Yeah, keep it. Now put number 1 over here.
Okay.
No, not in that itself. Yes. Try to put it. Yeah. Now put number 2 inside that. Now put drag and drop, and let's see it works. Okay, very nice.
Okay.
Now go to sensing. Go to sensing.
Sensing.
There would be something called as answer.
Here.
Drag and drop answer over here. Okay,
Yeah.
and then now let me go to Dhruv's screen. Okay, Dhruv, please share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dhruv. So you have to put number. Okay, put number 1 in the first block.
This block.
Yes. No. Okay.
You can do the same thing I did. You know, where you take out that part and do it.
Okay, very good, Dhruv. Let's do number 2. Okay, and put the answer.
back.
Yeah, and put answer over here. Answer would be in sensing. In sensing, go and put the answer.
Where is answer?
There is an
Mouse
answer
white.
over here. Answer
Where, sir?
over here in this circle. Okay, now let me go to Vihan. Vihan, Kevin, you have done that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I
Okay.
try my
They're
code?
stuck in this.
Yes, you can try it. So, okay, now you have to put number 1 and number 2, correct? So go to variables. Drag and drop. Okay. Number 2, very nice. Yeah. You are an expert now in Scratch. No, what happened? Put your number 1 back there.
Wait, sir. I'll just grab this thing.
No.
Nothing's happening, sir.
So he can do the same thing I did. Remember
Yes,
when he?
yes. Let him try one more time.
No, sir.
Okay, then what Anya did, you have to do the same thing. Take this two circles out. Can you just try to drag it over here?
Which, sir?
Yeah, just put it over here. This number 1, and it will come automatically.
I'm answering all
yes,
the questions.
very good. Now,
I'm answering
just
the
put answer.
questions,
Yes, Dhruv.
but it's not moving.
Yes, because we have not coded for it. We have code for it. Put answer over here. Go to sensing. Go to sensing, and put answer over here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Everyone has done this. Naman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Naman, please share your screen now. Kevin, you have done this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Agam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we will make our fish move. Okay, if the answer is right, then we will go to motion. Go to motion. Go to motion. There would be something called as move block. Drag and drop move inside this, and make sure
10 steps, sir.
move 25 steps. Drag and drop move block. Move, not turn. Move block.
And put it over here like
And make it 25 steps. Okay.
made.
So I made it already. That's sir.
You made it already. Now let's test your math knowledge. Okay. Can you make it 25 over here?
Sir, we
You
put
make
it on
20
full screen.
Wait. I'll come to you. Let me first check for Aman.
Sir, it's moving.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anya.
So after we've all done this, then will we all get to answer the questions in front of
Yes.
each other?
Yes, correct. So just put 25 over here.
First we'll watch him, then someone else, and see their maths thing, right?
That is correct, Anya. Okay. Now let's test it, Naman. Can you click over here and just check the answers? Okay, 7 plus 3. Can you type the answer? Hit enter. Okay, 6 plus 10. Is moving, right? For everyone, it is moving.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's start coding again. Okay, we also have to move this crab, correct?
So I'm going.
Okay, so now let's continue to code. Now let me go back to Vihan. Vihan, please share.
Okay, sir.
Naman, you have to stop sharing.
So can I say, please?
Wait. Vihan is very young, right? Let him share, okay?
So he's 9 or 8? I forgot. 8.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vihan,
Crab.
very nice. For you is working,
Crab.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, crab
Then,
bola.
okay, then
Sir,
what we need to
crabs.
do, go to events,
Oh,
Yes, sir.
go to events. No, go to events. Everyone gone to event? There
one
would be a,
fish, sir.
wait. There would be a block which will say broadcast. Do you have anything which says broadcast?
Okay, broadcast.
So there too, sir.
Message 1, sir.
Yes, the drag and drop. Yeah, drag and drop below this. Below move 25 steps. And click on the message one. Click on the message one
Okay, sir.
and say new message and say start.
When I receive broadcast message
No.
1 or broadcast message?
Broadcast message.
And
And
wait.
what do I have to type?
Start.
Okay. Wait.
Okay. Everyone did that?
I'm doing it.
Okay, now let me go to Kevin's screen now. Kevin, please share.
Yes, sir.
So mine.
Kevin did not share since morning.
Okay.
Okay, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to code for the crab, okay?
Okay,
Now
sir.
everyone should select the second sprite. Everyone should select the second sprite.
Okay, sir.
Everyone selected?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So very first thing would be drag and drop motion block. Go to motion block. Okay, and
Rabi?
Steps, sir.
go to XY. Make sure both crab and fish to start from the same XY. So whatever you have given, right? Minus 170. Same.
Wait, sir.
Yes.
Go to X1. It will be written go to X164 and Y1.
Yeah.
Minus
So
110.
X would be minus 170. Y would be
Minus
70.
60.
Your is, so we'll make it 70. Okay. So Y is 70. Not minus. Y would be plus 70. Okay.
So mine is minus 60.
Okay.
So, sir, should we actually
I'll
suppose
put
X
16.
it's minus then 170, then for Y it's 70, right?
That's correct, Anya.
So we should
minus x.
sir.
Okay. Then after that, put set rotation style and point in direction. The same thing that you did it for the fish, do it for the crab also. The same thing. Okay.
Yes.
Exact same thing for everything.
For the crab also, you have to
So
do the
we
same
have
thing.
to
Point in
copy
direction.
everything, sir.
Not everything, just those blocks.
Okay.
So go to XY, set rotation style and point in direction.
Wait, sir.
in direction. Point in direction. Point in direction.
Yes.
Wait, sir, I don't understand.
Okay, Agam, please share.
Set rotation style left, right.
Just give me 1 second. Let me first go to Agam. Okay, Agam, please share.
Wrong with mine.
Wait, sir.
I got it, sir.
So can I just go get some water and come?
Yeah, sure. Come back. No problem. Okay.
Thanks,
So
sir.
what you have done, Agam? Agam, just delete this entire thing. Okay. We just require the first 3 blocks. Okay.
I'm
Very
going
good.
in direction 90. Wait, sir.
Point in direction 90. Okay. And Agam, make this as 60 plus 60. Okay.
What?
Sure, minus 60.
No, it's plus 60, right? Otherwise, they both are going to clash each other. Correct? Make it 60.
So what should we do?
Just have a look at what Agam is doing. Just have a look.
So can you wait for like 1 minute?
Wait, so
Okay.
in the starfish or the crab one,
Uh-huh.
for the crab, do we have to like, sorry, for the starfish, did we have to write down plus 62?
No, for that you don't have to do it. It's just for the crab we are doing it. Okay.
Okay.
So, sir,
Uh-huh.
all the numbers should be same, sir.
Yes. So X number should be same. In the Y, it has to be different because they have to be in different Y location, right? Otherwise, they will clash with each other while running.
I put 66, 160 and minus 170.
Okay.
Sir, there is no.
71.
There is
Sir,
no
I put 500.
500. Don't put it.
I mean
Okay.
1,500.
No. Don't do that.
1,500. We can't.
Okay. Don't do that. Okay.
Don't
So
start a
everyone,
monkey business.
everyone did this. Can we proceed?
So I put 50, sir.
Okay. Naman, you have done this or
Going
not?
to the shark,
No,
sir.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
It's clear going to the shark.
Shark. Okay. All right. Then
I put 70.
70. Okay. Let me go back to Kevin now. Okay. Kevin, please share.
Yes, sir.
So,
Now we have to make that crab also walk or run. Okay.
okay, sir. So I put 77.
Okay. Now let's go to events. Let's go to events.
So, okay, sir.
Yes, Agam.
I have sent you a message. Can you read that?
Yes, I have read that. I will share it with you. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now say when I receive. So there will be a block which says when I receive. Do we have a block which says when I receive?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just drag and drop.
So when I receive, sir,
This is the one, yeah.
So attach.
When I receive start,
When I receive start, correct. Okay.
Above,
put it
No,
like-
don't do that. Don't do that.
Sir, can you wait 1 minute?
Just put it over here, down over here.
Sir, can you wait 1 minute?
Yes, I'm waiting. Just put it over here. When I receive. Naman, you have done that?
Sir, yes.
Okay. So what we are saying, when there is a message,
pizza.
okay,
Okay, yeah.
okay. So what we are doing, we are saying when there is a message coming, then this crab should also start walking. Okay. So when I receive a message,
What should I do?
then you have to drag and drop when I receive.
Okay, sir. Should we add a new message?
You added the message, right?
No, sir.
Start message was there for the fish or not?
It is.
So okay, so now let's continue. After this, go to control again. Go to control
Okay.
and drag and drop the forever block.
Okay, sir.
Everyone did
Okay,
that?
wait, sir, no.
Okay,
It goes underneath when I receive start.
correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Then go to motion.
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And there would be something called as glide, right? Drag and drop this glide block.
Into random position of
Yes,
glide.
yes.
What?
And then click on over here. Just click over here. Do you have edge? You have something called as edge on the edge or not? An
So
option.
should we put it inside?
So mine
Yes.
shows shark, sir.
Okay, it's not there.
So
Wait,
mine is showing shark.
Yes. Wait. Don't. Okay, just remove this block then. Let's remove this block.
Mine is
Do
showing
The
fish.
other glide.
drag and drop the other drop. Glide 1 second. XY block.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And put.
Mine was showing fish.
Okay. Wait. Just have a look what Kevin is doing. over here, put x as 170, 170,
Minus
y
170 or positive?
positive 170, y would be 78.
So what's
Positive, both positive, right?
Both positive, yes.
so what's x, sir?
X is 170,
And what's y?
y is 78.
What's 17?
It's going here.
78, correct, yes.
So they're both positive, right?
Both are positive, yes. And make it glide over here, put 30 seconds. Put 30 seconds. So it will take 30 seconds for this crab to reach that particular position, okay? All right.
Wait, so 30 seconds, okay.
Okay. Everyone has done that. Naman, you have done this?
Sir, mine's working, sir.
Yours is working very good. Okay. For everyone, it is
I'll be
working now.
right back, sir. I'll be right back.
Okay. For everyone, it is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's wait. Okay. Agam, for you
Wait,
it is
sir,
working.
it's not working for me.
Okay. Anya, please share your screen.
Okay, wait. So when we press start or what?
Yes. When you press start forever glide, yes, it should work. Okay. But just click over there. It is moving now. Now let
it's
me go.
working.
Very nice. Now let me go to Naman. Okay, Naman, please share.
Sir,
Okay, Naman. Show me the code for the crab point. Very good, Naman. Very nice. Now drag and drop the if
So what
block.
did we do?
We just added the glide statement
sir,
for
can
the
you
crab.
just wait for me one?
Okay, Rian, we are
Okay,
waiting.
done, sir.
Okay. Now what you need to do, Naman, go to control. Go to control. So
If
go to
then,
control.
sir.
Yeah, if then. Drag and drop the
Block
if then.
light, sir.
Drag and drop the
Block
if
light,
then.
sir.
If then block below that.
So we have to put forever below the point in direction 90.
Yes, true.
Okay, wait, sir. So
And when I receive message start on top.
Correct. Yes.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Then,
Now, okay. Everyone has done this.
yes, sir.
Okay. Can you go to sensing now? Go to sensing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And there would be something called as touching. Can you drag and drop the touching block?
Color, sir.
Not color, the one above it. Inside
Touching
the,
mouse pointer.
yes. Let's drag and drop inside that.
Into if then, sir.
Correct. Yes.
How? Oh, wait, sir. Does it go? Okay, there.
Yes.
Okay, wait, sir. I'll just check it.
So where does if then go?
If then will go below the glide one.
Okay.
Okay. Can you click over here, Naman? Click over here. And select edge. Edge. Okay. Everyone has done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me go to Dhruv's screen. Okay, Dhruv, please share. Okay, Dhruv,
Yes, sir.
very
Now
good.
I've done.
Okay, very nice. So now what we need to do, this crab is going this direction. Okay, if this crab reaches this part, edge, then the fish has lost the game, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we will add over here broadcast. Say broadcast. Go to
Events.
events. So there would be a broadcast. Very nice. And select a new message over here. Create a new message.
Wait, so is it broadcast and wait or just
Just broadcast.
broadcast?
Broadcast.
What?
and over here say you lose. Okay. Kevin, you are getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, if you all have done, then let's understand what all things we have done in coding so far. Okay.
So can I play my thing?
Not yet, Vihan, not yet.
sir.
Okay. So,
Broadcast you lose.
Anya, can you share your screen and show me?
Oh, sure.
Okay, so wait.
And so,
That.
Okay. So
we should see that green flag, no?
I'll let you know, Vihan, not yet. Let me first check her glide 30 second. Very good. Broadcast you lose. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now let's go back everyone to the fish code. Everyone should go back to the fish code.
Okay.
Everyone there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Anya,
Yes,
what you
sir.
also need to do, you have to add this broadcast start, right? You have to add it over here after move block. Let's remove it from the top.
So you need to add another one, sir.
No, I'm just fixing her code right now. So you have to put it after move block. After just
The
after
game
move.
is hard.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Okay, now let's continue. Okay.
So
Everyone
the
should
game's hard, sir.
not hard for you. Are a superstar, Vihan.
Sir, it's easy for me.
Okay,
I
now
love
let's put a if block over here. Now put a if block. Go to control. Go to control.
If then,
So
sir.
we also have to put the if block.
Yes. Not if then else. Just if block.
I don't have a.
Week also is not
Okay.
Yes, very nice.
Fresh
Again.
if then block.
If then, and then again go to
A
sensing.
new one, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Go to sensing.
Hmm.
Very nice. Everyone reached there? Say touching.
Yes.
Touching.
Touching edge.
Yes.
Sir, should I
Touching
put
edge.
another one?
Okay.
Control.
Everyone did that?
Yes, broadcast message.
Yes.
Sir,
You will.
Can you do one thing, Anya? Can you place this if block over here inside this?
So we
Yes.
should type you win, right?
Yeah.
Not over there. Keep it out. Take it out. Take it out completely. No, not. Yeah.
Yes.
Just
sir, we
yes,
should put
correct.
another
Yes.
block, sir.
Can everyone
should
do
we-
what she has done? Can everyone see what she has done for the fish?
No,
Yes, sir.
for the fish, sir.
I've
Yes.
already written you win.
You win. Okay.
In
So
that
now we are going to
One.
now
In
now
the-
now we'll do a broadcast. We'll
Sir,
do
can
a
I just
broadcast.
share my screen? I can't see it properly.
Yes, Vihan, I'll come to you.
So
Now
where
we'll
do we
broad-
write you win? You win.
Yes. So we'll first broadcast. Put the
Broadcast
broadcast.
message.
First.
Cut and wait.
No, not.
No.
And over here, type a new message. Broadcast. You win. New message.
I've already typed all of this.
You win. Okay. Let's say okay. Now let me go to Vihan's screen. Okay, Vihan, please share.
Sir, I'm still doing this, sir.
Okay. Then Naman, can you share your screen, please?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Okay, let me first go to Naman. I'll come to you. Okay, so we are then going to play a game also. Okay, we are almost coming to an end of our coding. Naman, what you need to do, this wait, Naman, just wait. This if block should be inside over here. Okay, can you place this over here inside this? The if block. No, one not over there, below that, just below. Yeah, very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now over here, go to sensing, and you will say if touching, the first one.
Wait, what's that? What block do we put?
And Anya, this is not for you, have coded for it. I'm just helping him. Okay.
Okay.
Hana.
Over here, just select if touching edge, touching edge.
Go right.
broadcast in the message, type a new message, you win. New message, you win. Okay. Now let me go to Agam's screen. Agam, please share. I'll come, Vihan. Agam did not share at all today, okay? Agam, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But he is not.
Okay. If touching, very good. You win. Very nice. Okay. Everyone has done this or not? Vihan, you are left to do it.
Done,
Yeah,
sir.
So is
Everyone
the
has
game ready now?
Not yet. Not yet. Let me now go to Vihan. Vihan, please share. Okay, Vihan, where is your, show me the other code. If, no, not this one, the other one. If broadcast start now. Can you remove this if you have not to, you have to place it over here. One below that.
Yes, sir.
Just place it. Yes. Yeah. If this is, if touching, then move 25, broadcast start.
The jellyfish goes too fast, sir.
Okay, we'll make it slow. Wait, first let me just check your code. Let me go back to your code and let me see it. If touching edge, then broadcast, you win. Okay. All right. Now we will create 2 new sprite. Okay. So Vihan,
We have to do the same thing for them as well.
No, we don't. Vihan, let's go hit on the back button. Just hover on that sprite. Just hover over here and select
So
the
all
paint.
of us need to do it or only
Yes,
him?
no, all of us has to do it. Can you hover over here, Vihan?
What, sir?
Just put your mouse over there and select the paint option. You're clicking on it. Don't click on it.
Okay, sir.
And select the paint option.
Okay, sir.
Okay, wait, sir.
Everyone has done that?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Do you need
sir.
any help? Do you
Yes,
need any help?
sir.
Okay, yeah, no, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Anya, please share.
Okay.
Kevin, you have done it?
The color
Yes,
is
sir.
Okay.
Wait. I'll share now.
fish, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now everyone should write over here, you win. So take this text and type you win.
Wait, how? Okay.
Just type you win.
Can I put another text?
Yes, you can put another text also. Now let me go to Naman. Naman, can you please share?
Okay, sir.
So then what do I do next?
Then you have to create one more sprite. You will say you lose. Okay. So create one more sprite by name you lose. Okay. Let Naman share. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Naman. Just type you win. And also create a new sprite and it will say you lose. Now we will code for these 2 sprites. Okay. No, Naman, you have to create a new sprite. You have to create a new sprite. Delete this one. Create a new sprite for you lose.
On the same thing, right?
So there are 2 new sprites you're going to do. First sprite is you win. Second sprite is you lose. So create one more sprite, Naman.
So it shouldn't be on the same sprite. It should be a fresh,
different sprite, right? Different
fresh
sprite. Yeah.
Not on the same page.
Yes. Naman, can you delete this one?
Okay, sir.
Then create a new sprite. Create a new sprite. You have to create a new sprite, right? Over here, you have to go and create a new sprite.
Sir, from where?
I've done it, sir.
On the bottom right, you have a sprite button, right? On the bottom right, not over there. Click back.
So after that, can I just show you my
Yes.
sprites?
On the bottom right, Naman. Right hand side bottom. Right hand side bottom. Yes. Create a new sprite.
So after that, can I just show you my sprite?
Yes. You have to select the
Sir, I am
paint
done.
option.
I am a bit done. Sir, I'm
You have
done.
to select the paint option and say now you lose. Okay, now let me go to Vihan's screen. Okay, Vihan, please share.
Okay, sir.
Now we will code for the uWin sprite. Okay, so everyone should code for the uWin sprite.
Look,
Okay,
sir.
very nice, Vihan. Let's code for it. We will say, let's go to looks. Go to
Wait,
looks.
sir. Wait, sir.
Okay, sir.
In the looks, you have to drag and
Sir,
drop. Yes,
There's
Anya.
no, I can't customize it or anything. There are no options.
No, you don't have to do it, right? We are just coding for the uWin sprite now.
Yeah, but when I go to the UN sprite, I don't get the options, events, control, sensing, operation.
Okay, show me your screen then.
So I can see you and you.
Yes, we will. Just stop sharing, Vihan.
Sir.
See, there's no options anywhere.
You have to click over here, right? Click on the code. Okay. So now go to looks. Go to looks and drag and drop show and hide blocks. So there are two blocks.
Yeah.
And hide. Just scroll down. There would be
Sir, there is some much background noise, sir.
Okay.
From
Everyone.
somewhere.
Okay. Please be on mute if you are not talking. Okay. Do not attach it. Just keep it separately. Okay.
So also show, sir. We should put.
Yes. So everyone should go and select two sprite, show and two blocks, show and hide. Correct? Everyone has done that. Then go to control. Then go to control.
Sir, both same on the same page.
On the same one. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Everyone did that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then go to events. Sorry. Go to events.
Okay, sir.
But sir, I'm on UN, okay? But then over
Yes.
here it says you lose at the top.
We'll come and fix it later. First, let's code for it. Okay. So go to events. Click on events. There would be block which says when I receive. Do you have something called when I receive? Okay. When I receive, just put it on over here. Above the show block. Okay. When I receive. And over here, select uWin. Do you have something called uWin? Very good. And over here, put a green flag. Go to events and put a green flag. Now let's do the same thing for the next sprite also. You lose. Go to the next sprite. You lose.
So we can duplicate it and do it also, sir.
Okay. Now same thing. Go to looks first. Drag and drop both blocks show and hide. Drag and drop show hide. Okay. Now go to events. When I receive. Okay. When I receive, you lose. Okay. Very good. Okay.
So I finished, sir.
Okay. Now let me go to Rohan's screen. Rohan, please share. Okay, Naman, please share.
Sir.
Sir, have we finished all the coding and we can start playing the game now?
I'll just confirm everyone has coded or not. Okay. You win, you lose. Okay.
So we have to put
Naman,
the same things, right?
Yes, sir.
okay. So what
can
you need to
test
do?
everyone's
Wait, guys.
maths.
Just wait. So go on the first this sprite. Just click on this sprite. Okay. This is for you win, correct? So the message has to be changed over here. When I receive, you win. Then show me that. Okay. Now go to the second sprite. This one. Say when I receive message. Click on there.
Sorry, I accidentally deleted the you sprite. Wait.
You know how to create it fast, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go to fish. Now let's go to fish.
Wait, sir.
No, I'm just code. No. I'm just checking his code. Okay. I'm not doing anything new. Scroll to the very top. Scroll to the very top. And put a green flag over here. Put a green flag.
So I've already put a green flag.
Okay. One thing is missing, Naman. Naman, over here, right? Wait, don't do anything. Over here, repeat until, okay? Now go to sensing, touching, put touching over here inside this.
Do this?
Yes, you also have to do this.
Oh,
Touching,
wait, sir. Then wait, sir, please. I'm still creating the.
okay.
Should we? Where should we put
And just put touching edge. Just click on there and select
We
edge.
have to put a repeat until again once
No,
more.
you guys have it, right? Repeat until or not? It's
Yeah,
just a condition.
I have a repeat until, but I haven't put the mouse pointer.
Condition, okay?
And
Now,
edge, right, sir?
yes. Okay, so now let's try to understand. You
Wait,
got
sir,
two.
I haven't done this yet. I haven't
Okay,
done
Anya,
this.
please share your screen.
Here we have to place green flag at crabs or crab calling.
Yes. Yes, also you have to. No, for the crab, it's okay.
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 Wait.
Okay, just scroll up. What you need to do, you need to go to sensing. Go to sensing. Drag and drop if touching, this one. The first block. Repeat until touching the edge. Let's do it edge. Now put a green flag on the top.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
Sir, after touching of the edge, after putting the green flag, also nothing is happening for me, sir.
Okay, I'll come one by one, okay? Now, can you go full screen and show me how it is being run? Just go full screen. No, wait. Don't click over there. Don't click over there. Full screen is somewhere else. Can you over here on the right hand side you have this full screen option. Can you see it? On the top right. On the top right.
This, sir, I'm on full screen now.
No, sir. If you can see, I am drawing on your screen on the top right. I'm drawing on your screen on the top right. Yes, click over there.
So do we have to keep it on full screen now?
I'll come to you one by one. Okay, just click
I
on
put
green
it
flag.
on full screen, and can we
Okay.
start playing our game?
Yes. Let me first check her code. 6 into 10. Okay, very good. 5 into 10. You have to do it fast. The crab is moving. Okay. So now let me go to someone else and check the code. Okay. All right. 6 into, very nice, Anya. You are very fast. 6 into 4. 8 into 3. For others, it is working or not? For whom it is not working?
For me, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for me also, it's not moving.
Okay, so let me go one by one. And Anya, can you please practice and I'll come back to you?
Can you just check mine first, sir, please?
Okay,
No.
Dhruv. Okay.
Okay, now I'll stop.
Okay.
Stop
Good,
share.
Anya. You're faster than the crab, but just practice it again, okay?
Sir, crab is very fast.
Okay.
Crab is fast. Let me
Yeah,
first. Okay,
but
Dhruv,
I
first
can
show
beat
your
it.
code. First, show me your code.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have to share screen.
No, not to you. For Dhruv, I am saying. Okay. For fish, if touching edge, set number, move. Okay. Just give the answer and show me. Yeah, just write the answer.
Do in full screen.
Sharing the screen, sir.
Just yeah. 9 into 7 is how much, Dhruv? I am also not that good.
So I accidentally
Okay.
pressed the cross and I have to do the coding all over again.
You pressed the cross. Why?
I don't know. I don't think I pressed the cross. I mean, for some reason, it's just gone everything.
Press Control Y. Redo.
No, yes. I'll come back to you. Just do 10 into 550. Your fish
Okay,
is
wait.
not
Now
moving.
it's there. Now it's
Okay.
there.
So now it's moving.
5 into 10, 50. Do it 50.
Okay, wait. So now
Okay.
it's there. Okay, I
Okay,
was
very
in
good.
Chrome.
5 into 1. Okay. 10 into 6.
I go to Safari now.
But he is not moving.
Yeah, but we have to check his code also. Just go back to your code and check it. Why it is not working? Just go back to
Are
your
you
code
get,
first.
I mean, Dhruv, are you getting the answers correct?
Okay, let's do one thing. First,
I know
go to
question
this
that
sprite.
I have.
First go to use this sprite. When I receive start, no, this is wrong. So when you have to show it, when I receive, you lose, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
show. Okay, now go to this sprite, sprite 1. When I receive, you win. Okay. Now let's look at the code for
Why
crab.
is it duplicated?
Okay.
Yeah, much better.
Now show me the code for the crab. When I receive start, go to X, Y, left, whatever, right. If touching edge,
Sir, my crab is very fast.
I'll come to you, Naman.
Yes, sir.
Broadcast, you lose. Okay, now show me the fish code. Go to that if front set number 1, ask, join, if number 1 into number 2 equal to answer. We have to say answer over here.
Sir, I
Go
had
to-
done it.
Okay, now go full screen and show me your code. Again, I think we have to go back and check it, but just tell me.
1 minute.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. Let's start your code and see it is working or not. 3 into 4, 12.
Hey, Mommy, look at the really cool game I
Okay,
invented.
6 into 2, 12.
Let
Okay,
me
show me.
first turn it. Watch
5,
this. Ready?
4 into
3,
6,
2, 1, start.
24.
So if we have to get to the end first.
We have to change your code again. Go back and show me your code again,
5
bro.
and 7.
Your crab is not moving
And if
continuously.
the crab goes to the end, then we lose the game. First, we
Okay,
have to
so no, show me the code for the fish
9,
again. Show me the code for the fish again.
25,
If
30,
broadcast, this will come over here. If one, just put if inside this.
2,
Put this if over here.
Which one, sir?
This if block.
30,
Yes,
This if
sir.
no, don't do that. Don't do that.
24.
Do Control Z.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This if block should be inside this.
I want
Over
the
here.
cave
No,
to
don't
the
do
head
that. Don't
before the
inside
crab,
it, right?
see?
Over here it should be. Now do not do it. I still have to check your code. Repeat until set this number, ask when new broadcast start. Okay. If this is
Now
not
try.
there. Yeah.
So
Now
I
try
think
it.
I know what's wrong maybe.
Okay, now try it again. 10 into 7, 70. Wrong answer you're giving. How will it move? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's working now.
Okay. We have to fix the code for your crab now. Let's go back to your crab.
80.
80.
Okay. So when I receive start, okay, do one thing, remove, not remove, just first remove this block. Put it up somewhere up. Okay, wait. Now put these 3 blocks somewhere over here. No, wait. Put this over here when I receive. Put a green flag over here. And now show me your code. Okay. Okay, now let me go to Naman's screen. Okay, Naman, please share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Dhruv, please share, please practice and then save your work also, okay? Anya, you are practicing? Okay, first show me your code, Naman.
Okay, sir. Oh.
Okay, make this glide 30 seconds.
How
Over
do
here,
we
put
save
30.
it?
I'll
do we
come to you,
save
Anya. Yes, I'll come to you. Put 30. And now go full screen. Now go full screen. You won, Dhruv?
I
Very
won
good.
against the crab.
Okay.
I'll save my work and I can leave, right, sir?
Yes, Dhruv. Thank you again. Then tomorrow, can we meet at 12:30? Is that okay?
Wait, sir.
11:30, 12, sir? Can we meet
12?
12?
12, she has a
12.
class.
No,
She has a
not
class.
12. It's
12:30?
not that I have, no, it's 12 and
12?
one is fine with me. 12:30 is not good.
12:30
Because I
not
have
good?
an exam.
one I have
an
a class.
exam.
Okay, can we meet at 10 a.m.? Can we meet at 10 tomorrow?
Sir, 10 I have class.
And you have class.
Sir?
Can we meet in the afternoon? Can we
10,
meet in the
I have class at 10 also, sir.
okay, in the afternoon or in the evening? Can we meet
Sir,
tomorrow?
Sundays I'll not have,
Yeah,
sir.
but wait,
Tomorrow
sir.
if you
Wait,
want.
sir.
Tomorrow
can I just
evening and
ask you a
afternoon I'm free.
question?
Sir, tomorrow evening and afternoon I'm free.
Wait,
Sir, tomorrow full and free, sir.
Okay.
Can I just really quickly ask you, how do I save my work?
The morning I have like one.
Okay, let's
little
wait
bit.
1 second. Wait a second. Everyone
So I
wait.
can leave,
How
right?
do I save my
Wait.
work?
Before you leave, we have to confirm tomorrow's timing. Okay. And Anya, what time you have a class tomorrow?
It's not a class. I'm participating in an Australian maths exam.
Okay.
So it's from, I think, 11:30 to 12:30.
Okay.
Something like that. So if the class starts at 12:30, I might be late.
Okay.
So
Can you
one is
attend
fine
class
with
tomorrow
me.
at 4 p.m.? Can everyone attend class at 4 p.m. tomorrow?
Perfect. Okay,
Yeah, that
sir.
should be
Yeah,
fine.
That's
so-
fine.
And sir, I have one question though. If I could just share my screen because I don't know how to save it.
Yes, Anya, I'll come to you. I'll just go one by one. I'll come back to you. Okay?
So,
Wait.
sir,
Jan,
can
wait.
I just tell Anya
Yeah.
how to share?
Not yet. Let me first check Naman's code. Okay. Yeah, Naman, please go ahead. 3 plus 2. Let's start it again, Naman. Okay. 9 plus 5. Very good. 14. Okay, we have to go and fix your code also for crab. Let's go back to the crab code. Do one thing. Just stop your code.
Can anyone read what is the question
Place this over here. Place this over here. No, just
Sir, I can leave, sir.
yes, Dhruv. Tomorrow we'll meet at 4, Dhruv.
Yes, sir.
Place this over here. Place these by Dhruv.
Okay, wait. I will only show that. Once it's not here,
No, Dhruv. Okay. Let's Yeah, let's move those three. Let's move one by one. Move one by one.
Sir, something's wrong with my code.
Okay,
sir.
Vihan, I'll come to you. Let me first help him. Okay, put a green flag over here. Go to events. Put a green flag. Okay, now put this when I receive over here. And over here, just check the message. What is the message over here? Message would be start, right? Did we created a message or not? No, don't create a new message over here. Hit cancel. Go to fish. Go to fish first. Okay, you are translating broadcast message. That's okay. So go to crab. Go to crab. When I receive message on. Okay, now go full screen and show me your code.
Go full screen.
Full screen is over here, right? On the top right, you have to go full screen. Okay, click on the green flag. Okay, 10 plus 2, 12, very good. 10 plus 8, 18, very good. 8 plus 4, very nice. Okay, 8, okay. All right, okay. Do you know how to save your work?
No, sir.
Okay, let's save your work. Just go back to the code.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, you want to win? Okay. 6 plus 4, 10. Very nice. You win. Okay. Very good. So now let's go back to your code. You have to go to file, and you have to save to your computer. Okay. All right. Naman, I'll talk to you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Okay. Bye.
I can't at 4 p.m.
Sir, wait.
Sorry, Naman, what is that?
Sir, I can't do at 4 p.m.
What time you can do?
Sir, 1 minute. I asked for my mother.
Okay.
There
All
is my
right.
tuition or not.
Sir,
Okay. Okay. Now let me go to Agam. Okay. He has not shared. Okay.
sir, I have one question.
Yes,
So
Anya.
if we save to our computer, will we be able to like play the game again?
Yes, you have to. You can
How?
save to your computer. I'll show you.
How do we open it?
I'll show you. Let me. Okay, Agam has left. Okay, Vihan, please share. Vihan, please share.
Sir, I have a problem.
Okay, Kevin, let me see at Vihan and let him then drop off. Okay, Vihan, what you have done, it will not work for you. Go back to your code.
Wait, sir, if I press this, it goes fast, sir. This thing doesn't come
Okay, we'll fix one at a time. Go to your.
because of this, sir.
Yes, no, don't change anything. Go to your jellyfish first. Put
This
a
is
green flag.
starting.
Yes. Put a green flag over here. Put a green flag over here.
Can I make this little slower?
No, don't do it. Wait. Now go back to your shark and show me the code for your shark.
So when I try to open it, it says it's no application can open this.
Yes, I'll tell you how to open it. Okay, show me your just go full screen and show me. Full screen.
So which is having improved percentage of
I have
lesson
to open this after the meeting and
Vihan, you have to go full screen and show me.
Yes, sir.
Play it. No, don't do it. Cancel this. Okay.
No, sir.
Why it is not
It's
working?
working.
Okay, Vihan, can you stay back? Let me first answer other people question. Naman, what time can you attend tomorrow?
Sir, I can attend at 4 p.m.
You can, okay. So, okay, then I'll talk to you tomorrow 4, okay. So now let me go to Anya and then Kevin, I'll come to you, okay.
Sir, I
Okay,
want to
sir.
ask that how
Uh-huh.
to open this after meetings and
So again, you have to do load from your computer, right? File
Yeah,
load from
that's
your
what
computer.
happened. So
Okay,
wait,
Kevin.
so can I share my screen now?
Anya, let me just go to Kevin. He's waiting for a long time, okay. Yes, Kevin.
Sir.
Sir, should I save my work, sir?
So
Sir,
yours is still not working, Vian. Wait. Yes, Kevin, what is not working?
sir, when I press the green flag, sir, when
Uh-huh.
I press the green flag, nothing is moving. But when I move touch if edge, it's working, sir.
Okay, now let's look at your code, okay. Repeat until touching code. Let's put it back over there. Let's put it back. Because your this thing is such big that this is also an edge, right? This is also an edge. Correct? You have to make the size as small.
So I think this is the same problem with me.
You have to check, Vian. You are smart enough to solve the problem, right?
No, sir, it's not that problem, sir. It's not
Okay.
working. The jellyfish is going up. My shark is going back and touching the wall,
Okay.
the edge, automatically when I click the green flag.
Okay, just show me again, Kevin.
Sir, it's working.
Working now. So you know how to save, right? I'll talk to you tomorrow then, okay? All
Okay,
right.
sir.
But you should try multiplication, okay? Okay, now Anya, share your
Okay,
screen.
sir.
Yes, Anya, please. Bye, Kevin.
Bye, sir.
So when I press save to my computer, my
Okay.
question is, how do I reopen it? Like when I press this,
Now you don't have to do that, right? You have to do file, go to file,
to
go to
where?
file, load from your computer, select load from your computer, and select that file where you have saved it.
Okay, wait. I'll put it in documents.
Do you find where you saved it?
Wait, I'm just looking for the right, because I've got loads of, oh here, meet, here I think. Wait, no. I'm just looking. So how do I find out where I saved it?
That is something like it depends on your laptop where you have saved it. So from here, I cannot check it. If there's someone at your home, you can just tell them that I want to load the file which is saved on your machine. Okay, so you just have to go to load from your computer.
So over here, I choose the folder I want, then how do I put it in here?
How do you put? I cannot see that screen as of now. It's only showing me the browser, the Scratch browser. It is not showing any other thing to me. Okay.
Okay, then. But should I leave the meeting?
Yeah, but just practice it. So we'll talk tomorrow at 4 p.m. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So now, Naman, any question for me?
sir, how to load, how to open that our laptop.
Okay. You want to save it, right? You have saved it?
Yes,
Okay, to load it, file, load from your computer. Then you have downloaded in downloads, right? Go to downloads. And this is the project that you downloaded, right? So you can open it, okay? Just click over there
sir, where?
on this particular file. Say open. Just say open. No. First click on the file. No. Click on the file over here. Click on the file. And then go and click on open. Say okay. Okay, all right. So your project is there. Okay, so I'll talk to you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Okay. Now Vihan, please share.
Sir, I can leave.
Yes, Naman. Thank you. He slept or what, Vihan? So what is not you can do all the coding, Vihan. Okay. So what we will do, we will first go to your fish code. Show me the code for the fish. Very first thing, make your fish size smaller. Make it 50. 50. 50, not make it small. I can't hear you. You're on mute.
So I made it 70, sir.
Very good. Now this number, right? Can you? That's okay. Now just go and play your game. Play your game and show me.
No, sir.
Just okay. Now change this number to minus 150. Minus 150.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
No,
Play it
sir,
again.
still doesn't work.
Okay. Then make it minus 130. Minus 130. Okay. Now play it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now show me your math skill. Type it fast. Enter. Oh, 6 plus 7. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9.
Yeah,
What happened? He's cheating or what?
Yeah, I cheated.
Oh, don't cheat, right? So start. Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong.
What's 2 plus 6? What's 2 plus 6?
Wait, sir.
Can you go full screen and show me?